What is your current occupation or field of study?
I am currently studying environmental science, focusing on sustainable practices and conservation efforts.
What do you find most interesting about your job or studies?
What fascinates me about my studies is understanding ecosystem dynamics and conducting field research.
How do you manage your time between work and personal life?
Balancing work and personal life involves planning my week in advance, delegating tasks when possible, and ensuring I have time for relaxation.
What skills are important for your career or field of study?
Essential skills in my field are critical thinking, data analysis, and research methodology.
How do you stay motivated in your studies or job?
Staying motivated involves finding inspiration in successful case studies, connecting with like minded peers, and celebrating small achievements.
What do you enjoy most about your field of study or job?
In my studies, I love the hands on lab work and the potential to make a positive environmental impact.
How do you handle stress related to work or school?
Dealing with stress involves maintaining a healthy work life balance, engaging in hobbies, and seeking support from friends and family.
What are your career aspirations or academic goals?
I aim to establish my own consultancy firm and contribute to advancements in my industry, and academically, I wish to publish research papers and attend international conferences.
How do you keep up with developments in your field?
Staying updated involves joining professional organizations, subscribing to relevant newsletters, and engaging in professional networks.
What do you find challenging about your field of study or work?
The most challenging aspects are dealing with complex regulatory requirements and balancing theoretical knowledge with practical applications.